the one thing you saw in this short video was movement, automated movement, because this is what we focus on at Festo. Hi everyone, I am Christine, responsible for the global business development in the field of agriculture for Festo. And within this role, of course, more than happy to be here today to take part in this highly important challenge. Thanks, Dana. Thanks, Unit. Thanks, Eric, for making this possible. Let me give you a quick idea about Festo and what we are and what we do, and then dive into the challenge. Festo is traditionally at home in factory and process industry. We offer different elements of the so-called automation pyramid, so from the shop floor level up to the control level. We offer sensors for positioning, distance, pressure, and on the second level you see gripping, turning, vacuum, and on top of this, the mechanical components to realize this movement. Above that, you see the energy used. We work only, not mostly, with electric energy or pneumatics. Next comes the human-machine interface, and above this, on the top level, the PLC. We offer components, subsystems, and engineering support in all these levels, and digital solutions as well. But I think what we need today is the movement part. So talking about regenerative agriculture, we look into a new form of cultivation. The plots will likely become more intense, dense, and diverse. This will need the support from small autonomous machinery. And this machinery should be able of performing a variety of tasks, such as smart planting, mechanical weed control, mowing, shredding, monitoring and measuring, and hopefully one day as well, harvesting. And with this autonomous machinery, we believe that our strengths and support can come into play. So we are aiming to give you support or even a co-creation for any kind of autonomous machinery that will support regenerative agriculture practices and needs a form of motion apart from the driving itself. You have seen the video on this slide. We worked on this project with a startup and had a bit of a tough time to bring our motors, controllers, and gears to the demanded pick rate. The next example shows a spot sprayer. I know that the goal is to use no chemicals at all, but to enable the transformation to regenerative agriculture, the strong reduction of inputs via spot spraying is a very good start. So here you see a tulip field, and the machine detects if the single plant has a virus and moves the dosing unit precisely to it. So these are examples we already obviously are working on and have in projects. But I would like to open up to enable you and to ask your smart brains to look into new ways of doing agriculture in a sustainable way. So now I think you have a feeling on what we can support and from which technical point of view we are coming. So please feel free to think about any technical solution which meets the challenge of regenerative agriculture and includes motion control or fluid control. So one might be, and I obviously picked this one from the internet, shading. So it's a study about shading bell pepper to increase yield. But if you want to create a field with a variety of lasting crops, you need to take care of them as good as you can, and shading might be one option to do so. But of course, you need to monitor the microclimate, maybe irrigate precisely, and open and close the shades at the right time of the day. and you don't want to do this by hand. So please open up your brains and see where you can meet the challenges of regenerative agriculture, maybe with our support. And I hope you have an idea of what we can offer and what we are looking for. One more thing, we are looking for startups in the POC stage with the already working product. And one really last thing, I want to give you one more nudge, as I know that usually startups want and need to scale. I want to make sure that you know that we can support you all around the world. So thank you very much, and I'm looking forward to your applications.